Hi, this is Rakuchan cosplay in my natural form. Just wanted to say that tomorrow, Sunday, June 3rd, I will be at the Utah Gay Pride Festival. I won't be in cosplay, but if you see me, come up to me and say hi, and yeah. I'll just be kind of normal looking. I might wear rainbow angel wings, but probably not, because my friend's taking me, so I won't be wearing my glasses though. But I mean, I have short brown hair and winged eyeliner and probably red lipstick, because that's how I always look. And shorts and a collared shirt. Okay, and I'm gonna be wearing a leopard fedora. That's what I'm wearing because my sister said I could. So I'm wearing a leopard fedora if you see me. Yeah, so that's it. I haven't been cosplaying lately because it's the end of the school year, lots of busyness. I became a theater officer, and so did Ayana Kinko. She did too. We're theater officers next year for our school. Woo. So this summer, one of my duties, besides getting my license, is to make videos and you know, take photos of cosplayers and stuff. So yeah. Right now, that music is Matt and Kim. If you don't know who Matt and Kim is, go look at Matt and Kim. Yeah. If you see me tomorrow at Utah's Gay Pride Festival, come up to me. Okay. Have a nice day, everyone.